Hello, welcome back to my channel. We're doing a wig review. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy you're here. If you're new here, my name's Tia. I upload 4 times a week: Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. And I often do like sort of bonus week-long uploads here and there. If you haven't subscribed, just subscribe because it'll be awesome. In this video, I am filming a wig review for a wig that I actually already filmed a review for. I'm not quite sure what the deal was, but I was looking at when I was editing it, the lighting was really weird, and I felt like you couldn't really get what you would need out of it in terms of like the color of the wig and how it really looks. So although I tried to salvage the footage, I'm scrapping it and redoing it. So this is a review, but also with an update because I've had this wig and worn it. I am doing an oldie but goodie, and this is Model's Passion Meadow, and she is in the color OM430P. Okay, and she's heat safe up to 400 degrees. She has an invisible sort of L-shaped parting, hand tied, comes in a bunch of colors. Scooped her up from Sam's Beauty for $24.99. So let's get her. So what I'm gonna do is during this review update situation, I'll put in a few clips of whatever I did to her. She was a lace front and I cut the lace off. I don't think I plucked too much out of the part, but again, I'll pull in at least a little bit or do a voiceover or whatever. If I did a lot to this, it doesn't look like it. This is her cap construction. She has 2 combs in the front. There's that lace front with the lace parting. Now you can see I did put concealer in there. It's a pretty nice part. And then she has comb in the back, adjustable straps. The coloring on her is so awesome. I really like this. She's got sort of that dark root, and then you pull in to that 4 and that 30 color combination. I will say the one thing about her, and I've had her and worn her and all that, she has a funky smell, and I don't think it's the wig like per se. I just think she's an older unit, and I don't know if like she was stored in a weird place. She's been sitting out on one of my wig heads, so I do feel like she doesn't smell as bad as she did initially, but it's still there a little bit. If I were to get her now and had taken her out of the package, I would have just sent her back and got a different one. But I have her, and I really like her, so it is what it is. All right, let me put her on. So I'm going to take my little scarf off. Got my wig cap on already. Shasha. See, look how cute. Oh. I really like her. I love this curl pattern. I love the length. She's a right-sided part, which I normally like a left-sided part, but why do I always wear lip gloss when I do wig review? Like, always. And the funny thing is like, for the most part, I do enjoy a lip oil, but I really just like matte lipsticks. I like the Comfort Matte, Peach Perfect Comfort Matte from Too Faced is one of my favorites. The Alter Ego matte lipsticks from Lorac, and also the Cream Matte lipsticks from Bare Minerals. Like, those are the ones I use. So like the fact that I always have a lip gloss, and this is actually like a lip lacquer. So I took it up a notch. This is a Maybelline Vivid Hot Lip Lacquer. I don't know. Look, I don't know what I was thinking. Anyway, like, look how cute she is. I just love the color. And you know, I don't usually like a dark root, but I feel like it's okay in this situation because of the color mix. Now, she's not, I don't have her, can I talk? I don't have her combs in or anything. Let's just put some powder in the part. I don't recall doing a whole heck of a lot to her. Wig cap is comfortable. I wouldn't say it's like huge. Like it's not like a main concept situation, but I wouldn't say it's small either because it is adjusted. I just feel like, and like this could be so cute with some like braided situations just on like either one side, or you know, even pulling her back for like an updo. Oh my gosh, that'd be so cute. So yeah, let's look at her from the back. Yeah, see how pretty that is? Like, I feel like this is so natural. This wig really, if any of the wigs I've ever gotten, this one mimics my natural hair. So I just really, really like her. All I have to say is I feel like she's comfortable. I would actually be interested in getting her in some other colors, maybe lighter colors even. I feel like she's super natural looking, good work wig. I think if you had a lot of hair, this would be a good wig, because of the, it's not too voluminous, but because of the natural curl pattern, you could really hide it underneath a wig cap. And yeah, overall, I definitely recommend this wig. She's older, so I'm sure you could find her for less than $25. That's just what I paid. Like I said, I've actually had her for quite a while. I'd forgotten that I didn't put her up. So then when I went to like edit the film and put it up, I'm like, this is not, I can't do my peeps like that. I just can't do you like that. This is what I think. I really like Passion Meadow. Do you have her? Do you have her in another color? Do you like her? What do you think? And I don't really have anything else to say. I really enjoy her. So thank you so much. I know this is probably a little bit of a shorter video, but if you haven't subscribed again, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.